On January 31st, 1953, a major flood took place over 4 different countries in Europe. This flood was caused by a huge storm surge that lasted until February 1st, 1953. The North Sea flood was caused by the aftermath of a tidal surge and strong winds that raised water levels past its capacity. There were 2 separate flooding incidents. The initial flood flooded mainly the land and a few houses earlier in the day. Later on, high wind speeds and rise in water levels continued to gain strength, flooding the remaining homes and buildings. The North Sea flood was a huge flood that reached 4 different countries, the Netherlands, England, Belgium, and Scotland, and caused major damage to land and homes, but also to livestock, and it even resulted in thousands of lives lost. Most of the damage from the rise in tidal water levels occurred in England and the Netherlands. Over 100 lives were lost when a ferry named Princess Victoria set sail in the North Sea and was unable to make it back safely to land. In addition to the lives lost on the ferry, another 100 other people were stranded out at sea and didn't make it home. Between England and the Netherlands combined, over 580,000 acres were flooded, resulting in over 2,000 more lives lost. Over 20,000 homes were damaged beyond repair across the 4 countries. The reason why this flooding event was so big, especially in England and the Netherlands, was due to the fact that both these countries had structures that had little to no chance to withstand the storm. The reason why the Netherlands didn't have up-to-date structures to hold up against a storm is due to the fact that they were still recovering from World War II and hadn't repaired many of their structures. Due to the amount of catastrophic damage caused by the flooding, the Netherlands introduced a reconstruction project called the Delta Works. This project focused on fixing damaged systems and by adding 13 different dams to prevent the amount of flooding in the future. Some dams include barriers, levees, dikes, as well as a few others. The Delta Works project was a long-lasting project that lasted from 1953 until it was finally completed in 1997. The total cost of the Netherlands Delta Works project was in between $5 and $7 billion over the 44-year span.